Today I'm sharing my grandma's secret herbal shampoo recipe, which is a hair game changer, and I will also have this video in Urdu, so if you prefer to watch in Urdu, do click on the card and you can watch the Urdu version. This video is in English, and make sure you watch to the very end because this recipe is worth noting. So guys, I have no idea why I have waited for 5 years to share this recipe on my channel, because this one I have known forever. Ever since I was young, I've seen my mom use this, I've seen my grandparents use this, and it is essentially an herbal potion for your hair. It's a shampoo and it is a game changer because it actually helps with so many hair and scalp conditions. So this is rich in antioxidants, vitamin A, and it really restores hair health. When I was making this, I actually felt like I was a witch. I was like, you know, blending up herbs and cooking them, and then, you know, taking the juices out and doing all of that. So back in the days, you know, when my grandparents used to make it, they were not adding a base, a soap base, and they would actually just use it like this, and it would not foam up for them. They would kind of use it more like a rinse, and that's how they would use the shampoo. So I've got 2 versions of this shampoo. I'll share the extra ingredient at the end of the video, and you can add that ingredient to get it like foaming and get bubbles, because I know some people prefer bubbles in their shampoo. Like for me, if there's no bubbles in my shampoo, I do feel like it's not working. So I will share a tip on that as well. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and do comment down below because I post every single week. So I'm gonna jump right into the recipe. We need 3 essential herbs, and the herbs we need today are Amla. Amla is short for Indian gooseberry. The other thing we need is Reetha and Shikakai. Now I will actually try to find these online for you guys, so it is easy for you guys to purchase them. But if you do not want to buy them online, you can easily find these at Indian grocery stores or Pakistani grocery stores. So for my recipe, I am using a 1/4 cup of each ingredient, and a little goes a long way, guys. With this recipe, you only need about a 1/4 cup of each herb, and I like to crush it up. Amla is amazing. It actually strengthens your scalp and hair. It reduces premature pigment loss from your hair, and it also slows down the graying of your hair, so it really will help. If you've got blonde hair though, you can skip the Amla because that might have a bit of a darkening effect on your blonde hair. Reetha is amazing as well because it actually promotes hair growth, and my hair was falling like crazy. I had severe hair fall a couple of weeks ago, and I made this shampoo and I was like, you know, why haven't I been using this for so long? So I get all these herbs, I actually mash them up, and what I do is I soak them in water. So a 1/4 cup of each ingredient, I soak it in 6 cups of water, and I leave it overnight. The reason I leave it overnight is because it actually helps kind of like just take the juices out of the herbs. And then the next day what I do is I actually boil it, and I boil it for about 1 hour until I have a bit of a thicker liquid. It's reduced down a little bit, and the water will be very dark. It will look like black water. And this one is like, it's actually really crazy because, you know, you can actually use it just like that. Just cool the liquid down, put it in a bottle, and you can use it as a hair rinse. If you are using it in the shower, I would actually put it on my scalp, put it on my hair, and actually leave it for a couple of minutes just so it does its magic, and then you can wash it right off. You don't even need conditioner after using this. It is so conditioning. I promise you guys, it will not leave your hair dirty or itchy or dry. So with this one, what I do when the liquid is cold, so I just strain my mixture about 2 to 3 times, and I had the perfect consistency. So now I'm gonna share the hack with you guys for a foamy, soapy shampoo. So what I actually do is, in a bottle this big, I would add about this much castile soap. Castile soap is perfect because it is really gentle. It is a perfect base, and every time I'm ready to use it, I just shake it like that, and I am pretty much ready to use this. I have a brand new bottle because I actually made this one for my mother-in-law. My one is actually in my bathroom. And Castile soap will give you the foamy texture that you want, the clean effect, and this is perfect. Share it around. Please share my video. Please try my video. And if you have any questions, do not be shy. Comment below. I will try to get back to each and every one of you. On that note, I'm gonna say goodbye. Take very good care of yourself, guys. And that's a bye from me.